You want me to do what?
So the day before, this one came in and we determined that the power supply was good, but the motherboard was not accepting the power. It gave me the green light, but it just wouldn't power up. So yesterday he brought this one back with this one. Wants this one put into this one. So that's today's project. Looking at the back here, it's possibly it will fit into this, but this is old and this is newer. This is the old one. This is the one that's dead. Technically speaking, it should fit into here, although I don't know how well that one's going to work. That power's on. It gives me a screen, but yeah, I hear it slightly screaming. Well, it's booting up. Checking the hard drive. It's asking me for a password which I sure he doesn't have. Working with old technology, you should always have adapters. Look how old this is. This computer is older than my youngest child. Clearly there is no password, but now we have to set up all the new stuff. And for the moment it lives. Amazing. Software existed back in this day. Let's see. Finding Nemo, Purchase Crystallize, Barbie Princess. Ooh, let's see. McAfee Personal Firewall, Learn McAfee, Adobe. Yeah, just same stuff as a new computer today, just an older version. Before I go tearing this all apart, I wanted to check one important critical thing. Kind of hard to see it. Let me get in there. But that's your pin settings to turn on and off your computer. Now this is probably about 2 fingers wide. Let's go look at the other one. Because if this motherboard is going to work in this case, the wiring has to match. And so, not that you could see it there, but there's the, yeah, that's it. You see, I don't think this is going to fit. Even if I tried, I would have to cut and splice wires, and I'm not that good at doing that type of work. So, yeah, I don't think so.
So the conclusion will be that, yeah, it could be done with some modifications. However, I'm not that good, and I don't have those type of jumper pins to make that work. Those are the single pins. If you've ever looked inside of a computer and had to pin up the connectors for the power supply and the on-off switch and the reset button and stuff like that. So that's pin connectors. I don't have those type of connectors, and yeah, the old one is 2 fingers wide, where the new one is about 1.5, and I can't even guarantee that the pins are in the right place. So, yeah, I'm going to tell the client no, it can't be done. Physically, it would fit. Wiring doesn't match. So, like I said, I'm sure I could do it by cutting and splicing, but not my expertise. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.